Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck like that and get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!